Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Listen, I know that I'm doing a lot of T.A.B.S videos, but because the update is just so big, and it really got me back into it. So, yeah. I'm gonna start a new T.A.B.S series called The Recruitment. So that to beat the Legacy update, we have to recruit the Dynasty, Renaissance Pirate Spooky Simulation, and well, this is just gonna be, yeah, and then the Wild West, and then we'll do Legacy, and then Adventure to Challenge to Simulation. So let's start off with Dynasty, level 1 Samurai. Let's see, yeah, we only have these, but next campaign we'll have Dynasty at our faction, then Renaissance, and then on and on. So, this level seems straightforward. We have some Samurai, and then we have whoever that is. Alright. Doesn't seem too hard actually. Just gonna have our little battalion. Arrow squad. And then that is all, I guess, you know? You know what you know. You know? Oh! Oh, what the heck? Excuse me? They just deflect. They can deflect. Oh god. Well, the more you know. Yeah, this is not going to our favor. I don't know if this guy right here can deflect. I don't know, we'll see. I think we actually have a chance. Oh man, it's pretty bad. Oh god, oh god, oh no. Okay, well that did not end out well. You could try out maybe the king. And I really like the brawler. Yeah, I always have 20 left over. That's really weird. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. You fell. You too fell. Okay. Whoa. Some hardcore parkour, bro. The brawlers probably cost more. Yeah, because they're just shredding them. But it might just be like... Okay. Oh, did we get out there? Oh, this level's boss unit? What? I think that we got their boss unit. Ooh, no, he was trapped under my guy. Your body, your dead corpse was great. Next is ninja. And I wonder why. These guys are ninjas, apparently. So we can't use range. Ooh. I kind of like how they're all grouped up on that bridge. Maybe we could throw a boat on them. Let's see here. What else could we use? Trying to include everything. Scarecrow. I wonder if they could deflect birds. And then... a knight. It gave us a lot of money, which is really worrying. Maybe some hoplites. Yeah, this seems like a pretty standard army. Yeah, this seems pretty good. Yep, they did what I expected them to. So yeah, this actually is a pretty good army. The boat usually doesn't do what you want. That's a lot of shurikens. That's a lot of shurikens, you know? So the way that these faction-based campaigns go, ooh, wait, there was so many ninjas. Wait, did I miss some, or is it? Oh, right, the sidelines. I'm gonna cut down on the hoplites. I'm gonna cut down all the hoplites. So for the ninjas, oh, I want to use poachers so bad. Maybe we can slow them down with the ice archer. And then you still have enough for a farmer. He's probably gonna fall into the pit. No. Okay, that actually, yeah, he took out who he wanted. So, I think they can deflect birds. Yeah, ice archers work. Yeah, because they can't move forward. Huh. Wow. That actually really worked. Dude, we're plowing through this campaign, you know? How are you still moving? Wow, we just destroyed them. Just dip your. Imagine if the physics could freeze the lake. Interesting. Nom nom nom. Eat me up. Eat me up, Buttercup. Yeah, that worked. Well, we have a confetti shooter. Are those fireworks? Oh god. More confetti and then 3 big boys. 3 thickens. Huh. That's kind of worrying. I think for our thickens, I don't know how much they are. So a few of you guys for each thicken. And then we have our confetti dragons. I wonder how a snake would do against confetti. Do snakes not like confetti? I don't really like this. But then we have the people who look like they have fireworks. Oh yeah, those are fireworks. Those are fireworks. Okay, this has got to be the boss unit of the faction, right? It's actually shooting fire. Yeah, the snakes are working. Not really. You guys just not like these toes? What is happening to you guys? You're having a Pop-Tart and snake-induced seizure. What is with you guys? We just got torched and blown up and smackle-dackled. Ah, that was weird. Okay. I think this is gonna be a ranged level. Actually, maybe some backline berserkers. To fight. We're gonna get knocked out by him. We could put a Jarl. Yeah, guys, like what I said before. This is now clear instead of blue. Or black or whatever. Huh, that's actually a really cool feature. Okay, so this middle seems pretty secured. Now we have to deal with our middle, or our sides actually, our flanks. Ice worked really well last time, so they get some. Actually, they're too expensive for us. Let's use spear throwers, I guess. Not as effective, but I guess they'll do. I accidentally put somebody in the water. They can swim, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I guess we could try this. Yep, they missed their whole entire first flank. Oh! Wow. Dragon went over here. Yeah, being brave. Whoa, he got lit on fire by the dragon? I thought that... Friendly fire alert. Wait, what? There's no friendly fire for the dragon? Come on, Landfall. Can't be... Aw, he's not moving forward. He just got stuck back. I think that he also blows. He also blows people back. Oh, jeez. These guys are carnage. How these levels work are, like, so you play against them and then as them. Oops, I got rid of our Jarl. Actually, we don't need him because these guys did the work on the monk. I wonder if they can hit stuff that's flying. That's all of our money though. I guess we could give it a go. Yeah, look at them just destroy him. The Jarl didn't even get over there last time. Yeah, they destroyed the monk. And they're going for the dragon. And then I guess if one person's dead, the whole dragon's dead. Kind of like all for one and one for all kind of stuff. Oh, geez. Yeah, it doesn't look like they can... Nope, they can torch birds. They can torch these bird ladies. Okay, well, that's not too good. Wow. I saw some other YouTubers get really struggled on this one. What if we just get straight to them? Boom, boom. And then we could use Zeus, I guess. He's probably flame resistant. And what are you doing, wheelbarrow? Oh boy. That was not the ideal thing to happen. Zeus is working. Zeus is working that one nip covering thing. Whee! What the? Nope. Just don't go up. Ooh, Zeus just drowned. Okay, well Zeus did his job. These guys, on the other hand, not. Yeah, I was watching a video. These guys do have splash damage. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully they can hit him and go through him and then hit them. But his aim isn't too good. I don't know. Two squires. And then I'm gonna take control of you. I don't trust you to take all of them. Nope, no splash damage on that one. Yes! What? Did she just try to assert dominance on me? They're asserting my dominance on me by T-posing. Yeah, that's right. Zeus doesn't like when you assert dominance on him. You don't assert dominance on Zeus. You're T-posing, bags. Oh god, I'm stuck. Hey, Zeusy. Let the big boys do it. Or not, alright. Zeus coming in with the plays. Now we're on Hwacha. Which I guess is what this thing is, a Hwacha. Ooh, I don't really want to face off against that. I mean, I can't use range because we have samurai, jeez. I'm nervous to try a catapult indoors. But I also really want to try it. And then, I don't know, Zeus shredded. I don't think that they can deflect his lightning. And then, try to outrange them, I guess, for melee. Oh yeah, we can get a lot of these guys. Then I'm just gonna, there are no flanks, right? Yeah, there are no flanks. Except for this one, which I'm gonna help out a little bit. In case it doesn't work, you know? Yeah. It seems like it could work. Whoa, yeah, I did not see them. Wait, where the heck were they? Oh, they were behind the blossom. I'm gonna try that catapult idea again. Yeah, we have enough money. Catapult, catapult. Nope, no, not the wheels. Not the wheels. Man, not the wheels. No! His wheels are spazzing out. I guess we could give them, like, a hoplite. Or maybe 2 Saracen? No? Just Saracen. And a shield. Yeah, that works over here. Oh god. You're not like 2016. You're not like 2016 tab watches. They reload. The old ones just did their volley and then just died. Ugh. Huh. That army worked well. Next, we have a level called Parade. Interesting. Oh, I don't want to use Zeus for everything, but he'd be so good in this level. So, another thing. Another test for you. I'm gonna be you. And then we're gonna have some archers on the flanks. I like that. Yeah, that could go well. Then I'm gonna have their first volley go over to Bard. Ooh, they did not do what I thought. Yeah, they just he just did 2 for 1. I don't have the pandemic, guys. What the heck are you doing? And again, look at his arm. It's seizing out. I just have allergies, guys. Don't sue me. Okay. Are you seeing my aim right now? I have perfect aim. But it just went wonky. Hold on. Would that have worked if my aim wasn't as good as a dying deer? Okay, that one was just bullet drop or arrow drop or whatever. Oh, this is working, yeah. I'll show you what I mean by aim. I have it right on him. And it didn't... Oh yeah! Oh, get skeeted. Uh-oh. Fireworks, prepare to be launched. Boop. I just lit their fireworks. Yeah, splash damage is confirmed. Yeah, that worked. So, yeah. Stairs. Yeah, I could deal with that. To be honest, can I just, that's not a lot of budget. See how many arrows he can take. Oh, arrows he can take. You're deflecting the wrong way, Boomer. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Wow, that sucks. What? Who cares about this? Dang. Zeus heals fast. Oh! Well, I need to keep that in mind for in a couple of episodes when... Yeesh. Alright guys, well I think that's going to be it for this episode of Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, so I'm going to try to keep up this YouTube grind. I might have another video coming out today on, I don't know. I feel like I'm doing too much tabs on the channel and not a lot of other games. So I'm going to make probably another video today, so stay tuned on my channel for that. So I hope to see you guys in the next episode of this video. What was that? So yeah, see you guys. Peace out.